ABC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope you were able to get outside and soak up some of the wonderful sunshine that we had this afternoon and all throughout the day, and that will continue into the evening. But once that goes down, temperatures will start to cool off, setting up a very pleasant start to the work week. Another dry day tomorrow before rain showers start to return by about Tuesday afternoon, and then pretty much continue all the way through the work week. So taking a look at the big picture across the country, we're kind of in between a couple systems as an area of high pressure is building over top Arkansas and Louisiana. That's what's keeping us with the sunshine. With the showers that we have yesterday morning, that system is now working its way up into the northeast and down through Florida, but that is now beginning to make its way out into the Atlantic Ocean. And then we do have some storms that are beginning to fire up back through the Great Plains and over West Texas. You can see numerous severe thunderstorm warnings, even a couple of tornado warnings back through Kansas and up into Nebraska. But that system's still going to stay off to our west for at least a couple more days. Eventually, we could begin to see some of this energy make its way down into Acadiana by the time we head into Tuesday evening and into the afternoon. But in the meantime, high pressure's in control other than just some high cirrus clouds. Another beautiful day across the area. And thanks to that northerly flow, temperatures haven't been too bad, officially topping out around 85 degrees here in the hub city. Most of us have been in the lower 80s, so a pretty comfortable day with relatively, nice humidity levels as well on top of that. But we will start to see those winds turn a little bit more southerly and things start to heat back up into Monday. And that's all because high pressure will be moving off down to the south and southeast, so that'll allow those winds to turn off the Gulf, help to warm things up and start to increase the moisture levels by the time tomorrow afternoon. But it does look like another sun-filled afternoon for our Monday. Dry conditions. High pressure will still be in control through the first half of our Tuesday. And at least according to this model, keeps us dry all the way through Wednesday morning, but it does look like a good chance for scattered showers by about Wednesday afternoon. Now, we're going to take a look at the European model, and we're actually going to go back to Tuesday at lunchtime, and you can see a good bit of cloud cover already starting to make its way in, and then we will be watching a couple upper levels of systems that could move in. So it does look like the possibility for maybe some scattered showers and thunderstorms as early as Tuesday afternoon into the evening, especially west of Lafayette over towards Lake Charles and along the border into Texas. Still could see some of that work its way through. That energy will continue until Wednesday morning. I do think by about Wednesday morning and then throughout much of the day on Wednesday, we're going to have a good chance for scattered showers on and off. And you do see with the darker shades the possibility for some heavier downpours and even maybe some thunder with that. Even into the evening still could have some of that system with us. So I will say Wednesday looks to be the wettest day of the work week. That'll then clear out. So maybe a dry start to our Thursday, but by Thursday afternoon, a front will start to make its way in and across the area, producing another round of scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms. And once again, you see the darker shades showing up could have a low-end threat for maybe one or two strong to possibly severe storms with this system as we head into Thursday afternoon and into the evening. That continues into Friday as that system works its way into the area, so more scattered showers possible. So it looks to be a very unsettled, wet pattern throughout much of the work week with good rain chances each and every afternoon. Even into the weekend, it looks like kind of wet pattern, although the models maybe keep Acadiana dry for Saturday, but a good bit of showers in and around the area. So still will keep rain chances around 30-40% for Saturday, and then you do see rain chances bumping up again by Sunday. So if these models kind of hold out, it looks to be a very wet week ahead with scattered showers likely Tuesday all the way through next Sunday. And so with all those rounds of rain over the coming week, we will see those rainfall totals start to add up a little bit, possibly seeing close to 4 to 6 inches, maybe even a little higher than that in some locations. So we might have to watch out for some flash flooding if we get heavier downpours and there's not enough time to get some of that water to drain off, and the ground will start to get saturated as the week moves forward. And then you see the higher amounts from Beaumont down to Houston. So definitely looks to be a very wet pattern over the next week, and we will have to be continuing to watch this in the coming days. But with all that rain coming, that means you have to take advantage of your Monday to try and get the grass cut, because you do see by about Wednesday afternoon, we'll start to see some of those scattered showers get in, and then after that, it'll be hard-pressed to have the grass dry enough to get the grass cut. Also, a happy Cinco de Mayo to you. A wonderful, excelente evening. Great for, enjoying the sunshine and maybe having some tacos or cervezas out on the back porch tonight, as temperatures will be dropping down into the upper 70s. Eventually, we'll make our way down into the lower 60s by tomorrow morning. So perfect sleeping weather. Open up the windows one more time again tonight. Dry start to our work week, a mix of sun and clouds for our Monday, and temperatures heating up. 89 degrees is what I'm going to go for the afternoon high tomorrow. Upper 80s again Tuesday. We'll go 40% chance for the rain, but there you see high rain chances Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday with decent scattered showers, even a couple thunderstorms each afternoon. So you're definitely going to want to have the rain gear with you, or at least in the car for the upcoming work week. And then even into next week and the following week, it looks to be a very wet pattern ahead. So enjoy the dry weather tomorrow because it does look like rain is coming.
All right, thank you, Eric.